guys, today we have a new four-wheel drive project in the shop. And yes, you can guess, I think this is our 5th Defender project. We are going to do an urban build on this. We are going to do the WIDETRACK flares, the wheel and tire package upgrade, canards, rear spoiler, the urban mud flaps, the step bars, along with a couple other goodies like our side grills and our top grills for the hood. Now, what's special about this car is it is a Sedona edition. This is a special edition paint color. Also has some added enhancements on the car visually that makes it stand out from the standard Defender. This is still the V6 twin turbo. While we are not doing performance options on this car, it's strictly aesthetic for the client. We picked it up down in Chicago and drove it back and dropped it off to us. So what we're going to do today is Mark's going to get started on assembling the mud flaps. The mud flaps sound like a very simple thing to put on, but they are a little trickier to make sure you have all your lines in, or excuse me, all your holes and clips in the right place to make sure they look right. Also, we're going to get the step bars put on, which add a lot to the side of the car. From there, we're going to just start assembling the body package components on it. And I think the last thing we'll do is we'll swap the wheels and tires for the Urban UVX wheels, which are going to look really good with a set of Falcon off-road all-terrain tires. So a little beefier look, and it should look kind of fitting off-road. We're excited to get this one kicked off. Another urban one. If you guys have been thinking about building an urban project, we are going to be your destination here in the northeast part of the country, and we love these packages. We have a great relationship with Urban in the UK, and can't wait to see this Sedona on the street. Came out great. So as you guys saw, Mark got the side steps put on today, and also our urban mud flap package. These are pretty labor intensive to put on. They really do their job, but just like the factory flaps, they install the same way. It does take some time and some fitment to make them look great. And obviously you can see I have the rear wing up here installed and looking good. So now that we've got that all taken care of, we're going to move on to the front of the car, get the canards installed, and get the front end wrapped up. All right, so that will wrap up the canard installation on the front. We have them clamped and taped. That'll set up overnight, and then we'll come back, finish tightening up our hardware, take our tape and everything off, make sure it looks good, clean it up. We also did the rear spoiler today and have clamps setting up on that, so tomorrow we'll also remove those, and that will allow us to get all those clamps back and start to work on setting up our flare package. We also will be replacing these hood vents, and like we talked about before, the side vents. Overall, again, we talked about this before, a lot of these styling elements are very subtle, but I think in the big package, once you see everything together, it does make a big difference. But in the meantime today, I want to show you guys the wheels and tires that we have picked out for this. So obviously with any urban build, we go with an urban wheel. They've partnered with Vossen, built some awesome wheels. These are the WX2 Explorer in satin black. 22 inches, so it is a staggered fitment. They have a front and rear fitment for this truck, and we're going to run these with the Falcon Wild Peak off-road all-terrain tire. This should be a really interesting look. We haven't used this tire before. It's kind of chunkier, blockier edge design, but I think on this truck with those wheels, when it's all done, it'll add a really cool touch to that unique color too. So I'm gonna get everything cleaned up for the rest of the day today and start tomorrow getting these wheels and tires mounted, and also work on those fender flares, and hopefully get this done in time for spring. We're at the front of the car. We have the rest of the vents put on, except we have our trim pieces that need to go onto the top of the hood. So I'm gonna finish these up and snap these in right now. Perfect. So this kind of buttons up the front end. Obviously we have our canards, our hood vents, our side vents. We also have the fog lights that will go in. Eventually those need some wiring and some alteration of the factory grill, so that'll take a little bit. But in the meantime, we don't need the car on the lift anymore, so I am going to install our wheels and tires now. It is a nice little option from Miltech. They do include these Range Rover, Land Rover style lug nuts. They have a gloss on the cap and the washer. We're going to install these. I think they're really going to finish off the wheel. So I'm excited to get those onto the car. And then obviously we're still missing the big fender flare package. We're going to install those off the car. We found, or excuse me, off of the lift, as we found it easier to do that. So we're going to get everything done on our lift now, get the wheels and tires on, and then get those fender flares mounted. Here it is, the SEDONA Edition Urban WIDETRACK package. I want to do a quick walk around and show you guys what we did. I think this is our 5th or 6th Defender build with Urban from the UK. We're proud to be a great partner with them in the Northeast region of the United States, building these amazing machines. And I think these are going to become more popular here in Michigan because we see them every place. But enough of that. This SEDONA Edition came to us brand new. Client picked it up in Chicago. Saw a black one that we did previous and wanted to do that on this color. I really like this color. It's kind of like a cranberry brown
color kind of looks different in the sun. If the sun was shining on it, it really pops, looks good, especially with the gloss black accents. So just like every other WIDETRACK package, it usually starts with the fender flares. This has the bigger fender flares that allow us to run the bigger wheel and tire combo from Urban. To me, that overall gives a great just on-road presence to what this truck actually is compared to a stock Defender. On top of that, we obviously do the hood vents, the Urban badging in the front, which replaces the Defender badge. And then on this car, we also did the lower canards, giving it a little more lower aggressive appearance, and the LED inserts for the fog lights, which are really cool. They match the trim ring of the headlight. Moving alongside of the car, we address it with the Urban fender vents, the side step bars, and then in the back, the rear spoiler, which just gives it a little more aerodynamic look. Now, this customer opted to stay with the standard wheel tire carrier, which is painted body color, which is really nice. Says Defender on it. We did do the Urban badge in the back, and then obviously our Urban mud flat package to round it out and give us that protection from rocks and things. So overall, really happy with the way that this Defender turned out. It was nice to have one in the shop that isn't black. So for you guys that have a different color, or keep in mind, we've got a million different colors we could choose from that Justin can wrap. Love to do something really unique with one of these Defender builds. So if you've been considering it, reach out to us on the website, IG, YouTube, whatever it is, and let's put together a special package for you. Thanks for watching this episode, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.